Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by identifying exactly what you have and why. This matters because different archive types open differently. Locate the file on your disk or cloud, then confirm whether you need an email client or extraction tool. Once done, make sure you have any passwords or account access handy. Without them, you may be blocked. If it's a large PSD or MBox, note available free space and expected size. This prevents mid-process failures and speeds the next steps. Now open the archive using the right tool. This is the core action. For PSD, choose Outlook and use File Open Outlook Data File. For MBox or ML, use Thunderbird and import-export tools. If it's a compressed archive, extract with 7-zip first, then point your mail client at the extracted files. If formats differ, convert using a trusted converter before importing, because direct import can corrupt folders. Make sure to keep the original copy intact as a backup throughout. Finish by confirming everything transferred correctly. Check folder names, counts, and a few random messages for attachments and headers. If messages are missing or corrupted, stop and compare sizes to the original archive. Then try repairing the file with the client's repair tool or re-extract with a different archiver. A common fix is converting the file format and re-importing. If you still hit errors, revert to your backup copy and repeat the process. This prevents permanent loss and clarifies what failed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.